Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to shoot your cooking videos or recipe videos if you do not have a tripod. This simple setup can be used for other types of content as well. All you need is a cup or a bowl to hold your phone, and some containers or saucepans to increase the height. Place your cup or bowl on your containers. Next, place your phone in the cup. Make sure it is positioned well in the cup. Adjust the height by adding more or less containers if you need to. Here, I forgot to press record, so I had to reshoot that scene. Always remember to press record because some scenes can't be reshot unless you start all over again. This is a very simple setup with zero investment. So if you've always wanted to create content but you've been stalling because you do not have a tripod, this setup is for you. And also, it is very stable, so you won't get any shaky videos. So just start creating that content you've always wanted to create. Start with what you have and start from where you are. Remember to learn and upgrade as you go. Final results of this recipe video is in the description below. Find food blogging, basic food content creation starter pack in the description below as well. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, share and also tag anyone who might need this. Like and leave a comment. See you in the next video.